In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Salesforce. We'll walk through the process from inside your Salesforce account, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along easily. If you prefer a darker interface to reduce eye strain or just want a cleaner look, this setting is worth checking. First, go to Salesforce and log into your account. Once you're on the main homepage, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens the account menu, where you'll find personal options and preferences related to your Salesforce experience. From that menu, select Settings. This takes you to the area where you can manage how Salesforce looks and behaves for your user account. Depending on your version of Salesforce, the layout may look slightly different, but the overall process is very similar. Once you're in Settings, find the Quick Find box. In that search field, type Display and Layout or Appearance. Salesforce sometimes labels these sections a little differently, depending on the interface or account setup. So if one term doesn't show what you need, try the other. The goal here is to locate the visual preference settings for your account. After that, look for an option labeled Theme or Dark Mode. This is the setting that controls whether Salesforce uses its standard light appearance or a darker one. If your account includes the feature, you should see a dark mode option available here. Go ahead and select Dark Mode. This tells Salesforce to switch the interface to a darker color scheme. In many cases, this can make the platform more comfortable to use, especially in low-light environments or during long work sessions. Once you've selected it, save your changes. This step is important because the setting won't be applied until it's saved. After saving, check whether the interface updates immediately. If it doesn't, refresh Salesforce. A quick refresh can help load the new appearance properly. If you still don't see dark mode after following these steps, it may be because the option isn't available in your specific Salesforce edition, theme configuration, or admin setup. But the path to check it is still the same: profile picture, settings, quick find, then display and layout or appearance. That's it. You've now seen how to enable dark mode in Salesforce, and once it's turned on, your workspace should feel a bit easier on the eyes and more comfortable to use day to day.